Little storyteller.
Maya the monkey lived in a lush green jungle filled with tall, leafy trees and colorful flowers. She was a small, curious monkey with bright, wide eyes and soft brown fur. One sunny morning, Maya decided she wanted a special treat, a fruit smoothie. She had seen the other jungle animals enjoying juicy fruits, and she wanted to try them all mixed together. First, Maya went to find some fruits. She spotted a big yellow banana hanging from a tree. "Oh, this looks sweet," she thought, carefully peeling it. Then she saw some round red berries on a bush. "These look juicy," she exclaimed, gently picking a handful. Next, she found a bright green mango. I wonder if this is sweet or sour." Maya pondered, taking a little nibble, her face scrunched up. "A little sour," she giggled. Now Maya needed something to mix her fruits in. She remembered seeing a hollow coconut shell near the sparkling blue river. It was perfectly round and empty. "This will be my blender," she decided with a happy squeal. She carried the coconut back to her sunny spot. Maya put the banana, the red berries, and the sour mango into the hollow coconut. She used a strong stick to mash and mix the fruits together. It took some time, but finally the fruits turned into a colorful, squishy mixture. Maya took a big sip of her fruit smoothie. Her eyes widened with delight. It was sweet from the banana and berries, with just a little zing from the mango. Just then, a fluffy white bunny with long ears hopped by. "Hello," chirped Maya. "Want to try my fruit smoothie?" The bunny twitched its nose and nodded. Maya offered the coconut shell, and the bunny took a few slurps, its little nose wiggling with happiness. Sharing her smoothie made Maya feel even happier than making it. She learned that trying new things, like making a smoothie, can be fun, and sharing with friends makes it even better. Plus, she discovered that even sour fruits can taste yummy when mixed with sweet ones.
Please subscribe. Thank you.